Hey guys, today we're going to start with the finger picking version of the song and then go into the chords version afterwards, but they're both going to use the same chord progression, which is going to be a G, D, E minor, B minor, and I usually just use this non-bar chord version, C, G, then C, and end on a D. So here's the fingerstyle tabs. If you're new to fingerpicking or you want to get better at it, then you can check out my course right here. Otherwise, let's get into it. If you've never seen a tab before, the lines represent the strings, except the top string here is actually the bottom line. And the numbers tell you which fret you're going to play. If you're using a capo like I am, then it's going to be relative to the capo. But if you don't have a capo, then it's going to be relative to the open string. So the chord progression's on the screen here. The easiest way to play this one is just to follow the chord shapes you know. So we're going to start with a G, then switch to a D, then E minor for the next block, then to a B minor, then to a C, back to G, back to C, then finish on D. So all together, slowly, that's going to sound like this. So you can basically follow the chord shapes there, but a few quick tips are, in a few places I'm going to change up the chords a little bit to make it easier to play. So every time I'm playing a G, you don't actually need to fret these other fingers. You can just leave that 1 on the 6th string, because you're not playing the other fingers. Then when you switch to a D, I either like to play it with the 1st and 3rd finger, or the 2nd and 3rd, doesn't really matter, but you don't have to fret the whole chord again because you're not actually playing that top string. Then the final one is at that B minor. I'm going to play this B minor with the 1st finger there, and then the 3rd and the 4th fingers on these 2 strings, because that's all you actually need to play it. Because then you're going to switch from the E minor, and that just makes that transition a lot easier. So then all together, this riff's going to sound like this. So that's all there is to the fingerstyle version. If you want to try out the chords version now, we're going to actually use the exact same chord progression, just on a strumming pattern instead of fingerpicking. If you find these chords difficult, then check out our free beginner course by clicking right here. So switching from a G to a D, our strumming pattern is going to sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a. Okay, so then throwing in the chord progression, it's going to be like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And that's it. And you're just going to repeat that, and the full thing, full speed, is going to sound like this. And you can just use either one of those parts, the chords or the finger picking, for the entire song. If you liked this video, please hit that thumbs up button and let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already to get more videos like this.